Hello friends and welcome back to the Technical channel. So friends, today I will talk about GEEKOM IT13 2025 edition mini PC. So friend, GEEKOM has introduced the latest edition of its versatile mini PC lineup, the IT13 2025 edition, as upgrade over the fan favorite GEEKOM IT13, which was released in 2023, and the IT13 2025 edition is engineered to deliver even more outstanding computing capabilities across multiple domains that its producers so friend. The IT13 2025 edition shared the widely around design of the IT13 featuring a premium matte blue aluminum chassis with ensured both durability and aesthetic appeal. Despite its compact size, the mini PC is packed with ports offering 4 USB-A, 2 USB 4 and 2 HDMI and SD card reader and 2.5 gigabit Ethernet port and headphone jack, and at heart of the IT13 2025 edition is Intel Core i9 3900HK processor that features 10 core, 16 threads and 24 MB Intel Smart Cache, and this chip provides a 5% performance boost over the IT13 Core i9 13900H and delivering fast processing speed and improved efficiency for demanding tasks. So friend, it is practical ideal for business professionals and content creators, supporting efficient data processing and seamless multitasking as well as exceptional video editing performance. An user can create a quad monitor setup via the mini PC, 2 HDMI and 2 USB 4 port, enabling an ultra-productive workspace. Gaming enthusiasts won't be disappointed either. The Intel Iris Xe graphics iGPU match entry-level discrete GPU in performance, running popular titles like Dota 2, Battlefield 5, and Genshin Impact smoothing at 1080p or moderate setting, and also GEEKOM Ice Blast cooling technology ensure efficient heat distribution, allowing for 24 by 7 stable operation. Besides, the IT13 2025 edition underwent rigorous durability testing before mass production to guarantee long-term reliability. So friends, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.